So today we're going to build the ultimate routing keyboard. We're using the Wooting 60 base, which is the aluminium base, as well with the TTC magnetic switches, and also comparing them to the Jade Gateron switches to see which ones we prefer. We're going to show you the step-by-step build to make sure you can make your routing the best it can be. So I'm Bearded Bob, been gaming for over 35 years, use lots of gaming keyboards, want to gaming mice mods and keyboards. If you like that kind of content, stick around. Right, let's take a look at the module first. So you get standard things like the foam, which you normally get pre-built in the routing, but it's like they give you an extra piece, and you get this gasket as well, the keyboard gasket. You end up with what you call the PCB, ASO exception. LED window top north, brand name bottom. There you go, it's a switch install. You ever wondered? Rotation of the switch, got a bit more, and then we get the standard cable. I haven't bought a cable for it because I've got hundreds. Some weird bag to put in maybe. But yeah, you don't want anything. I think 1 millisecond or 1 millimeter, it's not millisecond, 1 millimeter actuation sounds great until you actually try and use it, and then it's really bad for typing because you end up double pressing. But you can alter the software, and Wooting has the best software in my opinion for this stuff. So I've got the Razor. I've got the Drunk Deer, I've got something else, another one, Lamzu Pro. Wooting's got the better software. But the 1 millimeter travels like a gnat's nut. It's so low that you can't even rest your fingers on them. This is quite nice though, I quite like the little pickers in it, you seen that? It's pretty cool, isn't it? You got some pre-built stabilizers. I'm assuming you can potentially change the stabilizers, the stabs. So you could customize them, you can see them in there, the stabs. Take out the back here and you could probably switch them around. Check out the aluminium case. I've gone for this blue, which I think looks absolutely mint. Look at that blue. How cool is that? Looks sick, that blue. So you get your routing strap, which if you want to put it on there, you can. I'm not going to bother. Get another bag at the back. Oh, it's actually got some bits in it. Okay. No, maybe the other one did. Rubber feet, maybe, are they? To make it raised. Couple of screws, and looks like a cable bracket for the strap. Okay. Yeah, you can extend. Must be you can push the feet bigger, so that's quite a cool idea. Little Wooting logo on it. It's nice, that, isn't it? That is a tasty cover. You can obviously raise the feet slightly forward with the additional feet, which might have the bigger feet on it for a change. I'm liking that blue. It was a good choice. It's the different feet. So we're going to put the bigger ones on this one. So we raise it up a little bit. Change the angle. Right, let's go see if I've got some keycaps. I think these might just be white, which will be a good bonus, because obviously I planned this build out really well. Like a cream. So cream and blue is going to be pretty sexy, I think. Gonna kind of work. So I'll go in a cream and blue theme. So I'm gonna get 2 bits of foam, maybe. Because I bought 2 different kits, you get the same foam twice, which I do. It's exactly the same. So just checking it wasn't messing with the level. Right, okay, so it must be these ones. It's not even got any flex in it. Like, it's me pressing as hard as I can. It's rock hard, baby. Alright, so let's go. Let's Gateron switches first. Preload tab. Okay. Free setting pre-travel. Interesting. I kind of like these little jars. I don't know what it is. What's weird about the magneto ones is there is no pins to bend. They get mounted that way up. It's got a little bit of a bump, tactile bump, Jade one. I've got TTC ones. Which straight off the bat, I prefer the look of the actual switch. These are quite pretty. Just go that way mounted. It is a nice blue in it. Agreed. I prefer the squarer squarer cap on the top. Place them on though. Here's what the keycap looks like if you're interested. Gateron first. And then TTC. I'd say the Jade's a bit more muted. Close. Yeah, these are 30 gram. Actuation, the Jade's 35 gram there. TTC. So we're going with TTC because I think I prefer the less wobble because of the square base or square keycap holder. And I prefer the slightly heavier actuation, but the Jades are good as well to be fair. And if you're bothered, these are actually cheaper than TTC. So winner winner chicken dinner. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the red, blue and purpley theme. Do you reckon cream and blue combo working? Clean, innit, I think. The missus sees this panda, she's gonna go nuts. I'll go with the dog though, to be fair. Right, which escape key should we go with? We can't really tell. It's got to be one of the yellow ones. Got a shift key, you have to have a cat. We've got one cat at least. Kind of not like it. I don't know, the yellow looks a bit dull, but okay. You guys picked it, not me. I don't like the yellow. The yellow's annoying me. It's too yellowy. It's like a child toy. And voila. She's complete. Back to the Wooting, baby. Don't like the slot to put the key string on the side of it. That's how I want to carry thing for a keyboard. That's what it sounds like. And a key's not the best, I think. Just keycap though. Flaps on this one. Huntsman V3, I think it is, whatever the lights was. Oh! Versus the Wooting. Pinging us away. Next up is the Drunk Deer with an aluminium case there because it's been changed, so. These one, bit of a different one. Sounds quite nice, this one. This is cheap. This is full mech, I think. Already feels nicer, straight off the bat. The Wooting doesn't feel too bad with those TTCs in. And another rival, this is the Lamzu Pro, another magnetic one. Quite like this one, took me a while to get used to the rubber caps. Better default sounding one, isn't it? And voila. It's nice, I like the blue. I think it needs perhaps a different set of keycap colour, but other than that, it's a nice build.